So hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add contact information on lock screen in Galaxy A06 device. By the way, when your phone screen is locked and you have any message or a contact message here, how we can add this? So I'm gonna tell you guys. First of all, you have to go to settings and then scroll so that we have an option of a lock screen. Just tap on a lock screen, guys, and here comes to edit lock screen. Just tap here. Okay, we have the contact information written on the downside. So just tap here, just enter any text like I am entering Mobileinto, and that's it. Click done. Okay, now just click done here and then go back. Now let's see. So as you see, Mobileinto is now mentioned here. So that's how we can add the contact information in Galaxy A06 device. You can also write any other thing like your name, your date of birth, your mobile number. That's how it's look like. And that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.